Yo, what's up everyone? In this video, I'm going to show you some free tools and strategies that you can use to find the next big runners before anyone else. First, I have to mention Axiom Pro made a new update which is very useful. Right now, you can find the number of migrated tokens by a developer. For example, this developer launched 5,000 tokens, but only 33 of them migrated. So this is not a good developer to track. But look at here, for example, he launched only 4 tokens and 3 of them migrated. You definitely have to track this developer because 75% of the tokens he launched migrated, especially when it comes to new ones, all of them migrated. Let's see if we can find another developer. If I scroll down, look at here. He launched 700 tokens, 177 migrated, 25%. Most of his new launches migrated. I would definitely add this wallet to my tracker as well. This is a great feature that's added by Axiom. You know, before this update, you were able to see the number of migrated tokens, but you were not able to see how many tokens in total launched by the developer. But by using this strategy, when you are trenching, you can find so many good developers and even buy their tokens early. Make sure to check out my Axiom referral link in the video description to get 10% off in all your transaction fees. Now let me show you some other tools that you can use to identify rug pulls or find the next runners. I recently started using Padre platform because they offer some new features that unfortunately Axiom doesn't have. I'm going to talk about these new features, but before that I have to make something very clear. When it comes to Axiom, the highest cashback you can get is 10%. I know some KOLs telling you by using a referral link you can get 20%, 30%, but that's a big lie. The highest percentage you can get is 10%. But when it comes to Padre, you could get 10% or you could get 35%. This is really different between different KOLs. For example, some KOLs decided to get higher commission, and as a result, if you're using the referral link, you will get 10%. But for example, when it comes to me, I decided to get a lower commission. But if you use my referral link, you can get up to 35% cashback in all your purchases, which is very cool. So no matter if you're using my referral link in the video description or any other person, make sure you get 35%, which is the highest percentage you can get. Now let me show you why I'm using Padre and which features it offers. Let's take a look at some of the tokens in here. For example, let's take a look at this one. What I really like about Padre is the average top 10 holders entry. You can see this line. What I like to see for a token is, I want to enter when the market cap is below this number or very close to it. I don't want to see a very big difference between, these two numbers. For example, in here, this could be actually a good entry because most of the top 10 holders are in loss. Probably they will buy more, they will accumulate. So there's a very high chance price could go up from here. And you can take profit at this level because many of them could, sell their bag. But we don't want to buy, for example, at the top when there is a big difference between the top 10 holders and the market cap. This is something that is very, very important. Another important thing that you should consider is the number of fresh wallets in a token. For example, in here, you can see this icon which shows fresh wallet. Liquidity pools are always fresh wallet. That's not important. But when it comes to the other wallets, as you can see, there are not many fresh wallets, only 2 in here. So there are not many of them. Make sure not many fresh wallets in a token because a lot of developers usually create so many different wallets, fresh wallets, to buy the token by themselves, and as a result, they will rug the project. Another important thing that you should take a look at is the soul balance. We want some high number of souls in each wallet. For example, this one 250, 22, 2, 200, 9, 1, 22, 300, 25. These are all traders. They are not probably devs' wallets. But when it comes to a lot of rug pools, you can see so many wallets with low sold balances. I still don't know why Axiom doesn't offer this fresh wallet feature. They show when the wallet's created, but not this one. I hope they add this. Let me show you some other examples. For example, let's take a look at this one. In here, as you can see, there is a difference between the average top 10 holders bought at 52, but right now it's at 74%. Personally, I prefer to not buy at this level, especially at the top. That was a very big mistake because there was so much difference between the top 10 holders buy and the market cap. Let's take a look at the balances. The balances look normal, 5220. They are decent. The number of fresh wallets, decent. They are not many. But yeah, definitely this is not a good price for me. Let me see. Okay, this token actually got rocked. So this could be a good example. Look at the soul balance in each wallet. Can you see this? 0.025, 2417. Most of these wallets are less than one soul because they were all devs wallets. Many fresh wallets, but some of them were actually they were not that much fresh. But this is very important. And look at the top 10 holders in theory. Most of them at here. Uh, that's quite interesting. But let me show you some other features that Padre offers. I really like to use Tracker as well. Basically, you can find some calls from some paid alpha groups. I know there are some other extensions you can install to get access to these alpha groups, but please be careful. These extensions are not safe. I wouldn't promote any of them because there's a very high chance you could get a drain. The good thing about Padre is they offer this in the platform, which is very cool. Let's, for example, take a look at this one. This called by one alpha group. Uh, it could be a decent price to enter at around top 10 holders. Uh, the number of soul balances, look at this, it's decent. But you can see many fresh wallets. Look at this, many fresh wallets, many snipers. Yeah, this is a bit sketchy. I would avoid getting into this token. This is a very cool feature that Padre has. You can see these kind of alpha groups, their calls. Another thing that they offer is basically you can set up some automations. For example, you can have some copy trades. You can set some wallets to copy trade. You can snipe some tickers. But here's the important thing. I don't recommend using Padre copy trading feature. The reason for that is personally I stopped using TradeViz or Padre or any other tool for copy trading. There is a new bot which I'm going to talk about in the next video. That bot is absolutely a game changer for copy trading. The team behind it is fully docs. I haven't seen anyone talk about this tool, and they offer some crazy features which I was looking for a long time. And that's why I don't like to use Padre or TradeViz anymore. I'm going to talk about that tool in the next video. So make sure to hit that subscribe button, like this video, and stay tuned for my next video. Now let me show you another interesting tool that I usually use. I actually kept the best part for the last. The tool that I'm going to show you is Pump Fund Bank Fund Volume Alert channel. This is a free Telegram channel that you can join, And personally, I don't know which algorithm they are using, but the signals you can see in here are pretty good. I've already talked about this tool in another video of mine, and so many people contacted me, shared with me their profits. This is a great tool that you can always check. For example, this is the last signal that I get for this token. Let's see, doing DoorDash. Uh, the first signal for this token was at around $37,000 market cap. If I check the market cap in here, right now, the market cap is $108,000. That's great because we got the alert in here at $37,000 market cap, even before the average top 10 holders, which is great. Let's check another signal, the bucket list. This token called at $47,000 market cap. Let's actually check it out. Uh, this token actually got rugged, but it's reached to even around $97,000 market cap. And your entry would be probably before the average top 10 holders at $47,000 market cap. So although this token was a rug pull, you were able to gain profit. Personally, I don't recommend to, buy every token in this channel. You should do some rug checks. For example, in here, as you can see, the balances, SOL balances on different wallets are very low. Obviously, this was a rug pull. So by using the things that I showed you and by getting signal from this channel, you can, have so many good trades. Let's actually check another one. Uh, let her cook. Let's see how this performed. I have zero idea. This one actually got rugged as well. But let's see, it reached to $97,000 market cap. Can you see this? When we got the call for this token at $41,000, or even if at 34, so you were able to get 2.5x. Although this was a rock pool, however, I don't recommend buying some rock tokens. Let's see, when it comes to this one, so many wallets with very low balance, so yeah, and so many fresh wallets. So this was a rock pool. Always do the rock check, and by using this tool you can have great trades. I really hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to join my Telegram channel for some insider information and hit that subscribe button. Cheers.